What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video. And today I have an app called Branded Surveys, and a viewer suggested it to me. So here is the viewer. Now let's jump in to this awesome earning video. Alright, so picture yourself in your living room when you find this amazing app on your phone. Your phone is like,
"Hey bro, what's up? I got this new cool looking app. Come check this out."
And I mean, at this point, you and your phone are like best friends, bro. He's in your back pocket. So you search it, and here's what you find out. Earn cash rewards quickly and easily. Welcome to Branded Surveys, where sharing your opinion and taking paid surveys is a fun and easy way to earn gift cards and other rewards. Download today and start taking surveys and earning rewards. Get paid for your opinion just got much easier. Get paid, cash, earn rewards now. Branded Surveys brings you new surveys every day, all with cash rewards. Sign up for free, take a survey, earn points, and then cash out your points for real money with PayPal, gift cards, and more as soon as you've accrued 500 points. Each 100 points equals $1, and points are easy to earn with multiple surveys matched to your profile every day. All payouts in your local currency. So easy to get your PayPal. All payouts are in your local currency, so it's easy to get paid for your opinion. Answer a survey to build your profile and get started. This lets Branded Surveys bring you surveys suited to your interest and demographic information to let you earn more paid rewards every day. You earn 100 points just for joining. You can cash out and earn points with the ease of getting $1 per 100 points. Get paid cash and PayPal rewards. Earn real money or gift cards from popular brands like Amazon. Take surveys and earn rewards every day. So, Branded Surveys is one of those apps where you join for free. They give you $1 for signing up, and you can fill out surveys. They're super easy. In my own opinion, when I first tried it out, there's like a tier system thing, and so each tier system is a different color. So one is like red, one is orange, and one is like a teal blue color. And so to me, the one at the very top is probably going to be like the hardest one. And what I mean by that is they probably won't accept you for that survey. And the middle one is like a medium one, meaning you have a 50-50 chance that they will accept you. And then the bottom one, meaning you're more than likely able to complete that survey and fill it out and get your reward. So that's kind of my opinion on what I found out about the app. Another thing is that they have a program called the Elite Program. And if you fill out a certain amount of surveys in a certain amount of time, you will go to a different tier. And so it's like bronze, silver, and gold, and so on and so forth. And so the higher the tier, the more benefits that you're going to get. So from silver on up, you won't have to wait on your points to get verified. Bronze and below, bronze and starters will have to wait to get their points verified before they can redeem them and cash out. So within this video, I have found out some tips and tricks for this app. I tell you guys about this app and me using it over the course of a few days, and towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys me cashing out over $5 from this app, and hopefully you guys enjoy this app and find it to be a useful tool on your phone. So what is up, everybody? So the app that I have to showcase to you guys today is called Branded Surveys, and it was recommended to me by a viewer. And so I'm gonna leave his information within this video so that you guys can subscribe to him. So shout out to him for this app. But this is the app. This is the home page. As you can see, it said branded surveys at the top. My points, 623. Branded elite, bronze badge. And it says 4 more surveys to unlock a 5% bonus from the 4th to the 10th. As you guys can see right here, we got best surveys, which are the best ones that are tailored to you. So personally to you. So in my own opinion, the top one, the red one, is a harder one. The orange one is a medium one. And the bottom one, which is like a light greenish blue, navy blue, is like an easy one that you will be able to get to go through to the end. Just in my own opinion of using this app. So down here you have extra earning opportunities like premium surveys. My premium survey right now, it'll give me 26 points. You can also invite friends and refer them to get 50 points the first time they earn a silver badge. And also a daily poll that gives you 5 points every day that you do it. So that is the homepage. Here's all of the notifications for branded surveys. Every important update will show up in the notifications page. And here we have a more tab. So if you click points, it'll take you to your points. It'll show you all your points, all your earnings, and what they came from, and their status, if they're approved or not. Here you can go to payouts. It says so my points, 623 points, is equal to $6.23. I have no payout activity. My payout method is PayPal, and I have not cashed out yet. So the branded elite is basically a tier system. So the more surveys that you complete, the higher you will go in the tier system. So bronze to silver, silver to gold, and gold to the highest tier. As you can see, I only need 2 more surveys to unlock silver. And I've done 8 surveys, no bonus points. And basically, if you scroll down, it'll just tell you everything that each tier offers. And lastly, we have the leaderboard. Basically, it'll tell you your ranking and all of that good stuff. And I'm not ranked very well, but if you're into that type of competitive type of stuff, I do believe that you get a reward for being in maybe the top 10, the top 5, or getting first maybe, but I'm not too sure on that. And lastly, in this, we have the FAQ payout options, preferences, redeem promo codes, and logout option. So preferences is just like general, my profile, email, phone, address, things like that, delete account. And that is branded surveys. So I'm going to cash out. And I'm going to make sure I do 2 more surveys at least. That way, my referrer can get his points. So I'm going to redeem my points. And you have to verify all this stuff before you can do it. before you can redeem your points. So we are going to continue the process. Redeem your points for rewards. Apply at least 500 points. Okay. Applied all of them, which is $6.23. PayPal. Expected payout date is September 13th. Continue to verify. All right. So this is what the verification says. Once it's done, wait here while we verify your account. Redirected in 1 minute. Success. Thank you for verifying your account. It's time to cash out. So redeem my points. It's processing. Expected delivery date September 13th, which is Wednesday. So it says, congratulations, your withdrawal request will be reviewed within 1 to 2 days. And I will try to include that within this video. So let's go into the next camera angle. Now that you guys seen the app and seen everything that it has to offer, and you heard a little bit about it and seen a little bit of tips and tricks that you may or may not be able to use, my sole opinion on the app is I don't really do survey apps a whole lot. So for me, survey apps is kind of a pain. That's how I would put it. I wouldn't really say that I dislike them, but for me and my personal opinion, I just do not like filling out surveys. To me, it just feels like it takes longer than what they actually say. And sometimes if you go faster than what they actually say, then you will not get your payout for that survey. So it's just kind of bases off of your own personal what you like. But basically what I found while testing out this app is that I did get rejected from a lot of surveys when I first started. But so the viewer that suggested this earning app to me, he said try doing most of the profile surveys towards the bottom and filling out surveys about your profile. That way they can send you surveys that are pretty much a better match for you. And once I filled out, I would say probably like 3 of them, closed out the app, brought the app back up, tried out more surveys, and then from there I was able to start earning, and it seemed a little bit easier to start off, because when you're first starting off, they're probably going to reject you depending on your demographic and things like that. So it's going to be different for everybody. But as far as earning with this app, it's easy. Anybody could do it. And you guys seen in this video, I do not like survey apps that well. However, I was able to earn money from it too. So with that being said, you guys can see how easy it is to earn and redeem your money and all of that. So if you love branded surveys, you guys can join it with the link below, or you guys can find it on the Google Play Store. Just type in branded surveys and it should pop up. So that is all the time I have for everybody today. I thank all of you for tuning in to these videos and liking these videos, commenting below in the comment section. You guys are awesome. I appreciate all of you, and I appreciate all of the continued support from all of you. So with that being said, I'm going to continue dropping videos, earning videos, vlog videos, whatever it may be. I'm going to try to keep you guys entertained. So thank you guys once again. Thank you guys for subscribing to the channel, and I'll see all of you in the next new video. Peace.